Hi Ed, it's Nicole here, just giving you my feedback from week 2. I'm now actually in week 4, so I'm a little bit late in doing this for you, but it's been a bit of a hectic time. In terms of what I've completed so far, I've got my ads up and running. They've been running now for 2 weeks. I've had 2 closer calls booked and from the ads themselves, and I've managed to schedule 2 more through doing some organic outreach and posting on my Instagram saying, I'm looking for 3 more entrepreneurs who I'm looking to help with launching their business. And so that's been really good. And what I'm loving is just how it's all set up. I'm getting some data, I'm getting feedback from the market, and I've got a system in place to actually follow up with those leads when they land. And it's just something that I can just keep on improving on, and the data doesn't lie. So if the data, if I'm getting the sales, then it's working. If I'm not getting the sales, it's not working, and I need to change something. So that's really, really nice to see. In terms of any challenges, the key one for me is just finding the time, because I've got a 21-month-old baby and I have 2.5 days a week to work on this. So it's really important that I make those time on the other days to sort of do the setter calls and follow up and make sure that I'm sort of continuing to outreach to organic leads. So it's working really well. Really appreciative of you putting all this information together and all of the team's support. I've been jumping on the Q&As. They're really great. I've been getting great support from the team there. And I'm just really excited to meet with you and get my 10K trophy when that milestone lands. And yeah, all the best, and hopefully catch you soon.